Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Omlan Chemistry. So after a long time I am back with yet another exciting lecture of organic chemistry for class 12 students. I hope you all are doing fine and taking proper precautions in this COVID-19 situation. So today we're going to start with hydrolysis of alkene. Okay, now this is a very important reaction and it is also a preparation method for producing alcohol. So what happens when alkene is treated with water in presence of an acid? So here I am taking H2SO4, then we get an alcohol. Now if we consider the mechanism, it's a two-step process basically. So what happens in the first step, alkene will react with the acid. So here you can see this alkene is reacting with the H2SO4. Here I am making H2SO4 as HNOSO3H so that we can easily visualize the reaction pathway. And during this reaction procedure and after this reaction we'll get an carbocation. Okay, we'll get a carbocation. So here you can see this is a 2-degree carbocation. Okay, now in the second step, this 2-degree carbocation will react with the water molecule. So the oxygen of the water molecule containing lone pair will attack the carbon center, the positive carbon center of the carbocation, and eventually after losing an H plus ion, okay, we'll get the ultimate product, that is the alcohol. Okay, now if we just empirically look into this particular reaction, so overall this reaction is a Markovnikov reaction. Okay, so the product is a Markovnikov addition. So Markovnikov addition is nothing but basically it is the addition into an unsymmetrical alkene. So here you can see this is an alkene and the double bond, both sides of the double bond, they are not equivalent. Okay, so this is an unsymmetrical alkene, and in case of unsymmetrical alkene, Markovnikov addition is followed. So overall it is like H and OH. So if we break H2O into two parts, then we'll get an H plus, and OH minus. So according to Markovnikov addition, so the negative part will get attached to the carbon center containing the less number of hydrogen atom which is attached to the double bond, and the positive part will get attached to the carbon center containing more number of hydrogen atoms. So here this particular carbon atom containing the lesser amount of hydrogen atom, that is only 1. So this OH minus will get attached to this particular carbon center, and this H plus will get attached to this particular carbon center. So overall this is a Markovnikov product. Okay, and we'll get the alcohol. But if we consider the mechanism, so the mechanism involves a carbocation intermediate. Okay, and we all know that the stability of carbocation follows this kind of order. So 3-degree carbocation is much more stable, followed by 2-degree carbocation, followed by 1-degree carbocation. Okay, now here this is a 2-degree carbocation. So 2-degree carbocation is basically much more stronger than the 1-degree carbocation. Why? Because here you can see this carbon center is attached to two nearby methyl molecule. Okay, and since we know that methyl molecule or R group or alkyl group, they have plus I effect. They show plus I effect. That means they have the tendency to donate electron. Okay, so if these two methyl group show the plus I effect, then what will happen? The plus charge of this carbon center, the middle carbon center, it will reduce. As it will reduce, it will get stabilized. Okay, and in case of a 3-degree carbocation, since there are more number of alkyl groups, so the amount of the plus charge diminishing, it will be more. So hence stability of carbocation follows 3-degree, followed by 2-degree, and followed by 1-degree. Now since mechanism involves a carbocation procedure, a carbocation intermediate, so there is a high chance that if the carbocation itself gets the opportunity to convert it to a higher stabilized carbocation, for example this is a 2-degree carbocation, and if it gets a chance to convert it to 3-degree, then it will definitely go to that particular direction, and in the result we will get a 3-degree alcohol. Okay, so basically what I'm trying to say that hydrolysis of alkene in case of unsymmetrical alkene, the overall product is a Markovnikov product. Okay, but as far as the mechanism is concerned, since the mechanism involves a carbocation intermediate, that is why rearrangement may takes place. Okay, so if the carbocation is 1-degree and if it has an opportunity to convert it or to rearrange it to 2-degree, then it will go to 2-degree carbocation. Or if it has the opportunity to rearrange it to a 3-degree carbocation, then it will go to 3-degree carbocation. Okay, because 3-degree carbocation are the most stable carbocation, and hence the product will form very fast compared to the 2 degree and 1 degree. And eventually we will get an alcohol depending upon whether the carbocation is 2 degree, 3 degree or 1 degree. Okay, so this is all for today. So in the next class we will come up with another important reaction of this alcohol series. Okay, so if you like this video, then please do support and share my YouTube channel and subscribe my YouTube channel Omlan Chemistry, and get regular updates of various interesting and important chemistry topics in a very lucid manner. So thank you for today.